swerte talaga ng babae niya. Talagang may paparty pa talaga. Hindi naman ako pupunta dito kung hindi dahil kay Calvin.
Ako sa'yo ni Angela ng diretso kung paano mo siya.
Okay na rin. At least nasabi ko magkaibigan lang kami.
Pero sa atin lang. Kung normal si Angela, liligawan mo siya.
Siyempre hindi. Ano ba? Kaibigan lang kami. Excuse me.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming, friends, family, colleagues. It is with great pride that I present to you Angela.
Just to prepare friend. Ang ganda niya. Shut up. Aba, sinasabi ko na yung totoo. Hindi siya maganda, okay?
Maganda talaga itong batang ko, no? Lalo na yung naayusan. She looks very normal now. Walang ka-trace-trace ng pagiging feral child.
You know what? Her only problem right now is that she can't speak properly. She still stutters. But that's the only problem. I mean, she's fine.
That's okay. Manageable naman eh. Ang importante, nakakapag-communicate na siya. At dahil lahat yun sa'yo at kay Francis. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations din sa'yo, Evelyn.
Aba, ikaw ang nag-start ng rehabilitation niya.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, kapansin-pansin yung ganda niya. Sobrang layo na sa dating Angela. Alam mo, Charm, kahit nung makeover niya, abnoy pa rin yan. Lalabas at lalabas pa yung tunay na kulay niya. Yung pagkatao niyang aso, yung asal hayo. Eh, di ba yun naman talaga siya? Di ba? The dress looks perfect on her.
Very nice, honey.
If you remember, nung una, takot na takot si Angela sa mga tao. During our last symposium, nakipakita ko si Angela sa inyo na nagsasalita at yaman. But tonight, I want to show all of you that I have successfully reintegrated Angela into society. So friends, enjoy the night, enjoy the party we have prepared for you, and see Angela socialize with all of you like a normal person. Whatever is